This video introduces a patented design solar power bank system. It is an excellent power solution for mountainous areas and remote areas where lack of electricity. It is compact-sized and easy to be installed. Innovatively, there is a pull switch to control the power output. High-efficiency brand-new solar battery ensured long operation time of the system. The power can be charged via a solar panel or USB adapter. Charging under the sunshine. The output wire diverges into two so that more equipments can be added to the system. Currently, we have floodlight, string light, strip light, bulb light, tri-proof light, tube light. High bay light and fan light products are compatible with the system. Just pull the switch. The system can be adjusted into different modes, so that longer operation hours can be achieved as per real needs. It is a simple way to enjoy your lifestyle, no matter indoor or outdoor. Rainproof structure made the installation convenient and reliable. Just feel free to contact us for more details.